Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the process of buying a used Glowforge and what to look for before you commit to buying a used Glowforge. The very first important thing that you have to know is that the person selling the Glowforge has access to the email address attached to that Glowforge. And this is very important so the ownership to that Glowforge can be transferred to you. And before even attempting to buy a used Glowforge, it's noted on the website to verify that the laser is able to score or cut something before purchasing any used Glowforge. And this is just verifying that the Glowforge you're buying is not a dud, meaning that it's disabled or stolen, that's marked on the blacklist of Glowforge. Just do a very thorough inspection of the Glowforge before purchasing it, because you just want to make sure everything in good working condition. Now let's start by holding down this button for 10 seconds until it turns teal, so we can get the Wi-Fi signal to connect to the new network you're connecting it to. Now these will be the steps for the person selling the Glowforge to you. They would have to email support@Glowforge. Just continue watching and then you'll see how it transferred to me and how long it took. Now let's go to settings on the top right of the screen. Now on the left side of the screen, let's go to Glowforge printers. See how it says owned by, and this is the email of the person that owns the Glowforge. Until it gets transferred to me, I will become the owner. In this part, go to your Wi-Fi settings so you can find the signal from the Glowforge. Once you see the signal with Glowforge name on it, click on it. Now after successfully connecting to the Glowforge, now let's connect to your Wi-Fi. Now look for the Wi-Fi you're going to be using. Just make sure it's a 2.4 gigahertz connection and then enter your password. Once you see this window, congratulations, you have connected your Glowforge. It took about 5 days to get the Glowforge transferred to me. The fellow that I bought the Glowforge from immediately emailed support with all my information. It depends on the person who you're buying the Glowforge from to transfer your name as the new owner of the Glowforge. And if you have made it this far, I would like to say thank you. And you are more than welcome to share my videos and stay connected for future videos.